Hey there, folks. I'm Joe Crawford of Artline.com. Pretty much every day I go to CSSBattle.dev and do the daily target, and that's what I'm about to do right now. Oh, look at this. We got a purple guy, maybe. That's the way to think about this guy. Some neat shapes. I'll tell you what. Let's do this as two paragraph elements. Let's see how far we get. The second one is a little different from the first. So what are they? Let's put purple on the body and margins. And the margins on the second one are going to be less than the first. Zero. Let's do all zeros just to be completists. And put yellow on this body on the paragraph elements, and then go 3, 4, 40. Okay, so height here is 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. We're going to need some different margins here. So I'm going to try and do, I bet that's 52. The height on this needs to be taller. 20, 30. And let's see what we need to do if to make that margin just that 52 number. I think we need a negative margin here. Minus 20, 30, 40, 42. All right. And then we make that height 120. No, 140. All right. This is what we've made so far. 100, 30, 40, 50, 45, 46, 47. Okay. Border radius for the first element, 30 pixels, 35, 35. And then this one, let's try for a border radius solution on this guy as well. Let's do 50%, 50%, 0, 0. Let's try 100 pixels, 20, 30, 40. Oh, 140 pixels. Looks like it's doing it. Beautiful. I like that. I like that a lot. And I think because of how this gradient is working, I think we can do. Uh, will it shock you to hear me say that I'm going to do this kind of gradient that can be shared across both? At 20 pixels, 50 pixels, let's say, and then it's this color, 0. No, 75%, and then transparent. And then we push it down or over, 30 pixels, and then down 100 pixels. And then we need to give it a width. That's right, 50%. Kind of getting it, although we need the height of this to be a set number to reuse it. Yeah. So the height of that, actually, we can do 140. Okay. And then we're going to choose a solid number for this as well. How about 200? Ah, there it is. 20, 30, 40. Oh, oh, oh. Close. How about 180? I love it. Let's submit and make sure that we're at 100% match. And if we are, then we're done, basically. Yeah, I think that's just fine. Minify unit replace as per usual, set ampersand as the body, as the enclosing thing. So it's on all border radius solutions. Other ways to do this, you could do purple elements in front of these things. That would be fine as well. We had some conversation in the comments from yesterday's about how to do radial gradients to create these shapes, and the control that we've got by usually we do here radial gradient 1q and then color stops. But by adjusting that 1q to be maybe two q values, height and width, and then adjusting the radius, that's one way. You can do the word ellipse and then two values, and those values can be percentages or pixels or q or any kind of thing. It's worth experimenting. And then there are the other ways to do that, nearest neighbor and other keywords. The MDN entry, the Mozilla Developer Network entry for radial gradient, super useful, fun to explore and learn. Have I done a file submit? Let's make sure I've done a file submit. I don't remember. And then we're out. Hope you're doing well out there. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Go make a web page. Web pages are fun. Look how fun this is. This is a lot of fun. You can make little figures, and that's all just CSS. CSS and two little paragraph tags. That's fun. All right, get out of here. Bye.